Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with a new video, and this video is about the Chubby Bunny challenge that we're gonna be doing today, right now. Okay, I brought two of my very good friends with me, and together we will be doing the Chubby Bunny challenge each. We are gonna be we are gonna be like stuffing it in our mouths, and
I think they basically know what's the Chubby Bunny challenge.
Okay, let's just start. Okay,
who's gonna start?
What?
Who's gonna start?
Okay, no, each of us.
Alright, I'll start.
Okay.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
I can't
Chubby Bunny. You go to Chubby Bunny now. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny now. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Lost.
Seriously guys, okay, anyway, I've lost. Unfortunately, I've lost. And I am proud to say that I admit my defeat. Okay, cannot lose. This guy has also lost, so basically he is our winner, and yeah, okay, then throw it away, or you can eat it if you want. Fucking okay. So yeah, anyway, Musa is the winner, and yep, okay, yeah, I'll be like, maybe I'll be okay, maybe I'll do like what's that called? How fast and how many liters or milliliters of milk that you can drink within like a minute or so. Then okay, then right, yeah. Sorry, this video is a bit short. It's about 4 minutes long only. So yeah, I'll be posting longer videos next time, hopefully. Fortunately, if I want you bitches. Okay, so this is our freaking winner, and yeah, peace out.
And his price is nothing.
Yeah, sadly his price is nothing. Okay, eating the marshmallow is his price.
I already got marshmallow phobia.
Okay, so peace out, people.